everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel ANNISHA'S English Academy. The word very. We can replace it with another word. Today our topic is to learn some new words instead of very. So let's begin. First sentence is he is very genius. Instead of this we can say he is especially or incredibly genius. I'm very upset. I'm bitterly upset. My sister is very alone. My sister is completely alone. He is very ashamed. He is deeply ashamed. The area is very polluted. The area is heavily polluted. The place is very unhygienic. The place is hideously unhygienic. The staff are very skilled. The staff are highly skilled. The party was very enjoyable. The party was highly enjoyable. My sister is very shy. My sister is painfully shy. This is very normal. This is perfectly normal. They are very rich. They are immensely rich. This is very surprising. This is totally surprising. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. At last, don't forget to listen to English, repeat English, love English, and then practice as well. Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.